If you are a Class 1 salaried exempt individual who is working DD residential hours, this is how you will indicate those on your iSolved monthly timesheet. For example, we'll say on July 7th, which was a Sunday, you worked 7 hours. So we'll highlight that Sunday, then go in the right-hand corner to enter hour. That date should appear. It's a Sunday. We'll change that 8 to a 7. We'll say your shift started at 10 a.m. And then base code will default to day worked, and you'll want to change that to DD residential. So you'll need the date, the day of the week, the number of hours, what time you started. You'll change the base pay code to DD res for DD residential. And then for department, you'll need to click on department because it will automatically default to your primary department. And you will want to change that to which residential facility you worked at. We'll say Holly Court. And then you can make notes in here for yourself or for your supervisor. Keep in mind your supervisor will only see those if they actually click on your punch. Then once you have all that information in, you go to the right-hand corner and hit Create. Then you will notice it's now added another line to your timesheet. The first line is days worked for each day that you've worked. The next line is DD residential. So it is indicating 7 hours. Then if you click the down arrow on grand totals, it's going to show you each department you worked at. These are the days worked. Then it will show you each residential location you worked at for the month and the number of hours. If this is correct, you go ahead and sign your timesheet. When your timesheet is processed at the end of the month or at the beginning of the next month, you will be paid for those residential hours on the next available salaried payroll.